The top 5 causes of roof collapse coming up right now.
Number 1. Structural failure. A roof's structural integrity can be compromised by a variety of factors, such as weak materials, poor design, inadequate construction, or damage from weather events like high winds or heavy snow. This can cause the roof to collapse under its own weight. Number 2. Water damage. Water damage can weaken the structure of a roof, especially if it's not properly maintained. Water can seep into the roof and cause rot, which can weaken the roof's structure over time. Number 3. Age. As the roof ages, it can become weaker and more susceptible to collapse. This is especially true for roofs that have not been properly maintained or have been subjected to extreme weather events. Number 4. Poor maintenance. A lack of proper maintenance can cause a roof to deteriorate more quickly, which can increase the likelihood of collapse. For example, a roof with clogged gutters or missing shingles can be more susceptible to damage from heavy rain or wind. Number 5. Excessive weight. Roofs are designed to support a certain amount of weight, and exceeding this weight limit can cause the roof to collapse. This can happen if there is too much snow or debris on the roof, or if heavy equipment is placed on the roof without proper support. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.